Hey, Danny, what's my vlog? Alright.
And those are all the drip pans for us.
Drip pans, okay. Yeah, I guess they do come plastic. There you go.
What did you get? This thing in.
Okay. Let's do. Yeah, so. But,
that one's gonna go in the back. Just get that right out of the way real quick, so we're gonna get this one put in as well. So I can at least show you guys how it works.
Okay.
On the regular side of that.
Which way is this?
That is gonna go in over there.
This way.
Yep. And then what we do is we just lay it down, and it slides right inside of it. You gotta twist that side like this. You gotta get it flat.
Get that angle a little bit better.
Okay. Once we keep sliding. And then it's just gotta keep sliding down. No, it should. I mean, it shouldn't. When we were pulling it out, it just came right out.
Okay, this goes all the way to the floor then, right now.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And then the top one's got to go across. Okay, so it slides.
Here, do you have something that we could?
I'm stuck on this locker here.
Yeah.
What would you like?
Just like two 2x4s or something.
Okay, sure.
We just need small ones. You said it was stuck on the lock?
Yeah. How small are we talking? Okay, over here.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, just keep it up off the one. Okay, yeah, there you go. Up we go.
You want to lift up, Jake? No more, leave it abstract.
I see that.
Jake, sit in the middle and hold these two in so that it unlocks it. You see how the lock is?
I'll hold this one.
Okay, go ahead, start holding it in. Go ahead, keep going. Now one person on each side, lift it right up. And then that right there is where the big rails are going to mount onto.
Sit right here.
Yep. And there's a whole cable system that we didn't see him take apart.
Okay.
He said in the instructions it shows you how it all goes back together.
Okay. So it doesn't have to be.
He said he wanted to go to that's all this is. It's all labeled and it goes to which. But I'm going to be honest with you, I can.
Stop pieces. this.
I think those might be the top of the top.
Yeah, okay.
You see the top of it real quick? Yeah, so it goes in like this, and then this is where the cable, it goes through, and there's a bolt on top that screws it down.
Okay.
So that's how those are.
There's a pulley on top of.
Yep. Actually, it's not even a pulley. The end of the cable has a bolt on it.
Oh,
and
so
it sticks through.
it sticks through in the
Exactly.
This is the end of it.
Yep.
Okay.
Now for the heavy part.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Here, leave that one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just slide this up and
I know, huh, dear? Okay, so. Bye, love you.
this side goes that way.
My way again.
Okay, ready? Go ahead and get your side in, then we're going to move these. It's got to go out a little bit. Is that not all the way in?
Okay. That's good. Yeah, how long you got here?
I'd probably leave it back farther. Yeah, I'd leave it right there. Just, I don't know how long these ramps really are.
Right.
This one, you have to come farther this way.
Think it's that long? Before that's what I want?
I guess we can pull that one in quick and see.
Okay. Same one, same.
Yeah.
Or take this one over.
Whichever. Oh no, 'cause that one's centered on the door.
Yeah.
More?
No, it's good right there. Oh, it's going on. He's going up in the water a little bit, huh?
So, these were the front ones. They parked their 69 Camaro up in the air,
Okay.
and then they pulled their cars in under it
I
in the
see.
winter. So that was all just from snow and stuff melting.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why the back ones are nice because it was set up just like this in their garage.
Oh, okay,
So-
so the back of it was okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, of course, okay.
just gotta move out a little bit.
My way.
Flip up quick.
Okay, so we'll just sit on that.
Now this next one are probably best bet.
Okay.
Is to flip it upside down and just leave it over here until you read the directions.
Okay, so we get the cables running.
Yeah, because the bottom side is where all the cables are. So if we flip it down, you're kind of fucked trying to set it up.
Okay, we're good. You got the directions with it and all that?
Yeah. Did you give it to him? And that's all the bolts. Good. I didn't even try reading them, so I don't know if they're Chinese or.
Right. Alright, we can thank you.
You guys are good? Yeah, so these right here
Okay.
are going to go up through those things that you had, those stop plates, and then the bolt just slides right back onto it. I just don't know which one goes up, but he did label it, so sweet. Front right. So it looks like it shouldn't be too bad to do.
Run them through the. Yeah, here. Up. Okay.
Yep.
Through there. Sweet. Okay.
I think that's everything, right? Everything's out of the trailer?
Yeah, that's right.
There's that stuff. The perfect size for an amp.
I'll be able to use my waist. Biggest one of that, so.
Yeah, perfect size for him here.
Yeah. Yeah. Just right, because everything else I've been looking at is either too long or.
Yeah, no, he wanted for all his cars, but his Hummer won't fit on it, so now he's got to buy the bigger
He's
one.
got to buy the
The XL version.
bigger and wider one.
Yep.
Yeah, this is great for everything that I'm
Right.
gonna be it, and then I have two Mustangs, one's going underneath, they don't go up my trailer.
That was perfect. And then those wheels, those things somehow connect to right here.
Sit underneath,
Yeah. Yep.
and then they
And then you lower down the thing and it lifts it up.
they slide back and forth.
Well, no, the wheels you can move this whole entire lift around. You don't have to bolt it to the ground.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So those you mount here, and then you lower the lift onto it, and it'll pick itself up off the ground, and then you can wheel the whole thing around.
Right, yeah, sure.
Yeah. That's the reason why we bought it, but because he has a shop he's redoing right now, so he bought it so he can just wheel it around for all his cars.
Right.
And then we measured it once we got back, but we were already 4 hours away to pick it up, so we just really thought here we're gotta commit to it now. So.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, the boy down at Binghamton's that's got one too, and I priced for a 17-foot U-Haul. They're gonna charge us 80 cents a mile. That's
Holy
holy
fuck.
shit. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know, it's $400 right there. So, and then, I'm gonna buy myself. And,
Yeah. And that's the other thing that sucks. We were looking at the brand new ones last night, and it's like they're like $3,400, and then they hit you with $1,000 in freight charge. And it's only coming from New Jersey, so it's like I'm just gonna fucking load up my truck and just go pick it up.
Go get it. Yep.
$1,000 to bring it, like it's only like a 250-mile haul.
Did you go? Is he ordering off Amazon?
We were going to, but
Straight through the company.
yeah, we're gonna go straight through RTD.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I know they do. Because that was the ones I was looking at, was the longer version, or going ahead with.
The only thing with Amazon is, because I was looking at them last night, is they say you have to have a loading dock for them to bring it to.
Right.
They won't do it to a residential.
Residential.
And they don't ship out till November 30th, so you won't even see it till middle of December.
I know.
So
That's kind of what I'm looking at. When everything's settled in here before freaking snow hits.
Yeah, so the other ones that we're looking at, they said they'll have them here in like 2 weeks, so, or they'll have it shipped to them in 2 weeks and we go pick it up and dig it up, so.
You've got a beautiful truck. And,
thank you.
Trailer, you know? everything you need. What do you do for? If not, the person selling it is going to get nailed for.
Yeah, you're gonna suck. It's like 3 or 4%.
3 or 4% on whatever you charge. So, that's
You guys have the directions, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So, yeah, I've been recording the whole scenario here. So there we go. I'll run you guys through each step that we did that we didn't catch in the video, but there it is. This is almost completing my garage. This has been about a year. It's been a year project. I've done everything myself.
What did you use pallet racks for all the sides?
Yep. I bolted them all together and then went across the top. Did the same thing. Metal room. Everything screwed down.
Yep.
So you know, if the building inspector comes in and says, "Oh, it's not even a solid building," because you can take a.
Yep.
The only thing that's solid is the concrete floor.
Right.
So it all can be.
Sense.
It can all be moved, and it's all extension cords for my wiring. So what are you gonna do? You know.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
And then from in here, I just did gravel.
Okay.
I got a scissor lift, and then I got 1/2-inch sheet plate.
Okay.
Under it, so it's solid. And eventually, I'll go do the concrete. But right now, all that looks good for anyway. It's just brakes and other thing. But this here is what I needed to do.
Yeah, no, this thing will be nice. And then it also has the jack plate with it too, so you can jack up the front of the car and everything.
I'd like to get one of those air jacks.
Yeah.
Front and back. I'll keep an eye on those because